Hi everyone, just want to show you very quickly some items I got from Amazon, and some of these things I wish I had sooner than later. Let's start with a few things: microphone for content creation and extra SD card. But what I'm actually very excited about, and this is like tiny little thing right here, it's called the Octo Buddy. Hopefully it's something that will work really great. So the idea is to be able to put my phone anywhere, any flat surface. So let's actually check it out. So this is the part that I'll stick on my phone, but just to see if it actually stick on flat surface like my phone. Let's see it. Oh, great actually. So that's good. And let's try it right here. This is a shelf on my desk. Let's see. There you go. Actually, it sucks. It sucks. I don't know how to say it. It sucks really great. It feels weird to say it like that. And next item is right here. It's a digital mirror. So it has built-in lights and it's rechargeable. And so my plan is, let's do this, is to bring this when I'm traveling. And it's also served as my lighting whenever I create videos when I'm not at home, because we are going to travel soon. So here it is. This is how it looks like. And let's open it up. Oh, there it is. Now let's check out the lights. Okay, awesome. And it changes, the light changes, you could see there. And so my plan is to have this here, so have this on my phone and then able to suck it here, that so I could record using my phone. Maybe I'll do some get ready with me and stuff like that, so I could have a mirror and also my phone right on the mirror while recording. I don't know if you find this very helpful, if maybe you'll be interested to buy any of these items. I just thought that these are kind of lifesaver now that I'm creating more content here for YouTube. And so I also think that some of these are very practical on our daily lives. Like for example, this one, if you're taking like family photos and there's nobody else to take the photo, then just find like a flat surface. You could like do a timer and take a picture, take a group picture. I already stick the silicone behind my phone, and here is our light. By the way, this light is rechargeable. It comes with its USB cord charger, and what I'm gonna do is just stuck my phone here. And I love it because now I have this nice mirror, so I could see myself maybe if I'm doing get ready with me, doing makeup, and I could see myself with the mirror if I need to do close up. And also have my phone ready right here to record. Awesome! Alright, so this Octobody has some pros and cons. One con is that I can no longer use the wireless charger unless I remove my phone case. So that's a con, which I don't mind really, because the pros are better. These thing help this phone to be more ergonomic. It's easier to hold it because of that additional grip, which I love. And also I don't drop my phone as much as I used to. So I think the pros definitely defeat the con. So there you have it. Those are my Amazon finds. Let me know in the comment if you already have any of these, or you find this very helpful and you are thinking of getting one for yourself. All right, until next time, bye-bye.